Okay, we are solving the problem 1749 maximum absolute sum of any subarray. We've been given us integer array nums and we have to return the maximum absolute sum of any and possibly empty subarray of nums. So the problem is basically that you can take any subarray and you have to find the maximum sum and take the absolute value of that sum, and like that value has to be maximized. So this problem is pretty similar to the maximum subarray problem, which is solved using Kadnes algorithm. So it follows a similar logic where we, like, at this index we find, like, considering this as the ending index, we see like what is the maximum possible sum we can make. So for example, if this is the ending index, what is the maximum possible sum we can make in this subarray. So for this ending index, we basically have to check which indices to remove so that our sum is maximized. So that will uh, you know that will still be of n square solution. Like, you take this index, take this index and then iterate through all of them to see which removing which index will result in the maximum. But we can do a little bit better by basically uh, storing the minimum and maximum for both, and then just like checking with both of them. So it will be better in the code, and I suggest you solve the Subarray sum problem first, so that this would be a much easier to solve. So we are gonna take two indices, prefix min and prefix max, and set to 0. And let's say current sum is our, like, the current sum, and result is float of minus infinity. So we have to return result. So here we're gonna iterate through each number, and so current sum is gonna be equal to current sum plus x, and we check that, like, result is equal to maximum of result, and it's gonna be either absolute of current sum plus prefix min, or it's gonna be absolute of sorry, current sum minus prefix min, because we're removing the elements, and current sum minus prefix max. So it can be either of both. And yeah, so prefix min is gonna be equal to minimum of prefix min and the current sum, and similarly prefix max is gonna be maximum of prefix max and the current sum. I think that's it, and we just return the result. Let's run it. Okay, let's try to submit. There we go. This should be above it. And I guess the top solution does something. Oh, basically doing the same thing. All right, see you tomorrow.